What is the most likely cause of wheezing in hives? A. Norovirus. B. Hepatitis A. C. Food allergies. D. Shigella spp. The correct answer is C. Food allergies. Where should ground fish be stored in a cooler? A. Below pork roasts. B. Above ready-to-eat food. C. Above shellfish. D. Below ground poultry. The correct answer is A. Below pork roasts. What temperatures do infrared thermometers measure? A. Air. B. Oven. C. Surface. D. Internal food. The correct answer is C. Surface. Which process requires a variance from the regulatory authority? A. Sprouting seeds or beans. B. Serving wild game. C. Serving imported cheese. D. Smoking food to enhance flavor. The correct answer is A. Sprouting seeds or beans. What should be done with preset, unwrapped utensils that appear to be in use after guests have left the table? A. Wipe off the utensils and reuse. B. Leave the utensils for the next guest. C. Wrap the utensils with a clean napkin. D. Clean and sanitize the utensils. The correct answer is D. Clean and sanitize the utensils. What is a basic characteristic of a virus? A. Commonly found in cattle intestines. B. Requires a living host to grow. C. Grows in food. D. Destroyed by cooking. The correct answer is B. Requires a living host to grow. What temperature should the water be for manual dishwashing? A. Must be at least 110 F, 43 C. B. Must be at least 70 F, 21 C. C. Must be at least 100 F, 37 C. D. Must be at least 90 F, 32. The correct answer is A. Must be at least 110 F, 43 C. What should food service operators do to prevent the spread of hepatitis A? A. Exclude staff with jaundice from the operation. B. Purchase mushrooms from approved, reputable suppliers. C. Cook food to minimum internal temperatures. D. Freeze fish for 36 hours before serving. The correct answer is A. Exclude staff with jaundice from the operation. Which responsibility is included in the Food and Drug Administration's role? A. Regulating food transported across state lines. B. Approving HACCP plan. C. Issuing licenses and permits. D. Inspecting meat, poultry, and eggs. The correct answer is A. Regulating food transported across state lines. What information must be included on the label of food packaged on-site for retail sale? A. List of ingredients. B. Serving size. C. Storage guidelines. D. Pack date. The correct answer is A. List of ingredients. How should chemicals be stored? A. In food storage areas. B. Away from prep areas. C. Above food. D. With kitchenware. The correct answer is B. Away from prep areas. Bulk unpackaged food in self-service areas must be labeled when A. The food is prepared at another unit of the same chain. B. The food is prepared on the premises. C. The food supports pathogen growth. D. The manufacturer claims the food is healthy. The correct answer is D. The manufacturer claims the food is healthy. What rule for serving bread should food handlers practice? A. Reheat uneaten bread before serving to other customers. B. Clean and sanitize bread baskets between each customer. C. Recycle and used, uncovered butter for use in other food items. D. Do not reserve uneaten bread. The correct answer is D. Do not reserve uneaten bread. What scenario can lead to pest infestation? A. Rotating products using the FIFO method. B. Storing recyclables in paper bags. C. Cleaning up spills around garbage containers. D. Installing air curtains above doors. The correct answer is B. Storing recyclables in paper bags. What temperature must stuffed lobster be cooked to? A. 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. B. 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius for 4 minutes. C. 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius for 4 minutes. D. 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. The correct answer is A. 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. What is the first step in developing a HACCP plan? A. Establish monitoring procedures. B. Determine critical control points. C. Identify corrective actions. D. Conduct a hazard analysis. The correct answer is D. Conduct a hazard analysis. How should an item that has been recalled by its manufacturer be stored in an operation? A. Separately from food that will be served. B. In self-draining containers. C. Together with food that will be served. D. In vacuum-packed bags. The correct answer is A. Separately from food that will be served. Which food item has been associated with Salmonella typhi? A. Beverages. B. Produce. C. Shellfish from contaminated water. D. Undercooked ground beef. The correct answer is A. Beverages. In a self-service area, bulk unpackaged food does not need a label if the product A. Has been prepared at a vendor's processing plant. B. Does not make a claim about health or nutrient content. C. Makes a claim about health or nutrient content. D. Has been prepared at an unregulated processing plant. The correct answer is B. Does not make a claim about health or nutrient content. When can a food handler diagnosed with jaundice return to work? A. 7 days after the last symptom is observed. B. When approved by the regulatory authority. C. When his or her skin returns to a natural color. D. After 1 week. The correct answer is B. When approved by the regulatory authority. Why are people who take certain medications at risk for foodborne illness? A. They have not built up strong immune systems. B. They only eat TCS food. C. Their immune systems are compromised. D. They have hidden allergies. The correct answer is C. Their immune systems are compromised. What should staff do when receiving a delivery of food and supplies? A. Inspect non-food items first. B. Visually inspect all food items. C. Store it immediately and inspect it later. D. Stack the delivery neatly and inspect it within 12 hours. The correct answer is B. Visually inspect all food items. A food handler comes to work with diarrhea. What should the manager tell the food handler to do? A. Clean the restroom after each use. B. Go home. C. Only bus tables. D. Do not work with food. The correct answer is B. Go home. Nursing home cafeteria staff are creating new menu items for a breakfast for residents and their family members. What item is not safe to serve? A. Corned beef hash. B. Mayonnaise. C. Soft-boiled eggs. D. Pancakes. The correct answer is C. Soft-boiled eggs. When can raw, unpackaged meat be offered for self-service? A. When the meat is high quality. B. When the meat is frozen. C. At Mongolian barbecues. D. At organic food stands. The correct answer is C. At Mongolian barbecues. Which of these food processes does not require a variance from a regulatory authority? A. Pasteurizing juice on site. B. Buying bean sprouts from a reputable supplier. C. Curing food. D. Smoking food as a method to preserve it. The correct answer is B. Buying bean sprouts from a reputable supplier. What is the purpose of hand antiseptic? A. Eliminate the need for hand washing. B. Lower the number of pathogens on the skin. C. Increase the use of sanitizing solutions. D. Eliminate the need for use of gloves. The correct answer is B. Lower the number of pathogens on the skin. Lasagna was removed from hot holding for service at 11 a.m. By what time must it be served or thrown out? A. 2 p.m. B. 3 p.m. C. 4 p.m. D. 12 p.m. The correct answer is B. 3 p.m. What should food handlers do after leaving and returning to the prep area? A. Remove their aprons. B. Wash hands. C. Put on gloves. D. Apply hand antiseptic. The correct answer is B. Wash hands. A food handler is prepping a seafood dish on April 4th using shrimp and scallops. The shrimp has a use-by date of April 8th, and the scallops have a use-by date of April 10th. What is the use-by date for the seafood dish? A. April 4th. B. April 12th. C. April 10th. D. April 8th. The correct answer is D. April 8th. The temperature of clam chowder is checked during holding. According to the operations policy, the chowder must be thrown out. What HACCP principle is being practiced by throwing out the soup? A. Verification. B. Hazard analysis. C. Corrective action. D. Monitoring. The correct answer is C. Corrective action. When can glass thermometers be used? A. When hanging in a cooler. B. When checking liquids. C. When candy is being made. D. When enclosed in a shatterproof casing. The correct answer is D. When enclosed in a shatterproof casing.